हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग, मैं सिर्फ डॉक्टर आर्यन और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेडिसिन के कार्डियोलॉजी सेक्शन के सब इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू। A 42-year-old female present to the ER with progressively worsening shortness of breath and chest discomfort for the past. Past week on examination, distant heart sound, elevated jugular venous pressure with blood pressure 80 by 60 mmHg are noted. ECG shows low voltage QRS complexes. What is the most likely diagnosis? Acute myocardial infarction, acute pericarditis, cardiac tamponade, and pericardial effusion. Here the finding of the Beck's triad, distant heart sound, finding of the what? Beck's triad, distant heart sound, elevated jugular venous pressure and hypotension indicated what? Cardiac tamponade. The low voltage of QRS complex on ECG are seen in both a tamponade and pericardial effusion. Blood pressure is the differentiating factor. BP is the differentiating factor. Next question. You are an intern measuring the blood pressure in the ER. You notice inspirative fall of systolic blood pressure more than 12 mmHg. Which of the following condition will not show in the finding? Here the inspiratory rate fall of more than 12. If the inspiratory rate fall more than 10 mmHg indicates pulses. Paradoxes. It is seen in where cardiac tamponade but not in pericardial effusion. So here a question asked not shown in the finding is the pericardial effusion. Tamponade causes diastolic collapse of ventricle causing severe hypertension and fall of systolic blood pressure. Next question. A 45-year-old male came to the emergency department with complaint of chest pain and dyspnea. He claimed that dyspnea improves in an upright position and worsens while lying flat. There is no history of recent illness. The physical evaluation showed positive UR sign. Low voltage ECG was observed. Chest X-ray revealed water bottle heart. Important point. What is the most likely diagnosis? Restrictive cardiomyopathy, mixed edema, constructive pericarditis, and pericardial effusion. The feature given here in the question stem are compatible with the diagnosis of the pericardial effusion. This one is the answer. And here the Ewart sign. Ewart sign means dullness to percussion at the base the left inferior scapular border, in conjugation with tubular breathe sounds and egophony is a unique finding in pericardial effusion. It is a fluid accumulation in pericardial space. How much? More than 50 ml. And ECG लो वोल्टेज ECG में क्या हाइट ऑफ R प्लस ECG में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? हाइट ऑफ R प्लस डेप्थ ऑफ S कितना होना चाहिए? 5 mm माइनस लिम्ब लीड 10 mm minus chest leads. This is the formula. And in question they say the narrow and water bottle appearance in chest X-ray. It shows like a money bag. चेस्ट एक्सरे में कैसे होता है? सो होता है मनी बैग। money bag appearance or water bottle hut with increased CT ratio, in epigastric fullness or in burger sign. epigastric fullness में क्या क्या होता है? ओएन ब्रूगर्स sign. RB enlarged on X-ray, superlateral displacement of apex, LB enlargement on X-ray, inferiolateral displacement of apex. Next question. Identify the false statement regarding right ventricle failure. The most common cause of RF is LV. JVP is normal. Tender hepatomegaly is noted. Bilateral pituitary edema noted. The answer is JVP is normal because in right ventricular failure, the most common cause of right ventricular failure is left ventricular failure. This statement, left ventricular failure, क्या क्या होता है? JVP elevated, cause small sign, JVP elevated where on inspiration, abdominojugular reflex positive, tender hepatomegaly, bilateral pitting pedal edema, chronic CHF, and compliance of ventricle is hampered. Next question. A 50-year-old male present to the emergency department diffuse chest pain at rest. He says the pain radiates to his left shoulder and is relieved when he sits up. A scratchy sound that persists when the patient holds his breath is heard on cardiac auscultation. Along with normal S1 and S2, what is the most common etiology in the presentation? Idiopathic, viral, autoimmune, and malignancy. And the best answer is the idiopathic. Because the clinical feature of diffuse chest pain at rest that are relieved on sitting up, radiation of pain on the left shoulder, are the presence of the scratchy sound on auscultation, pericardial friction rub. Scratchy sound on auscultation means pericardial friction rub are typical of pericarditis. Pericarditis can have various causes. In most cases, the exact cause remain unknown. The idiopathic pericarditis is the most common. If we can talk the acute pericarditis, if pericarditis is inflammation of pericardial sac and is the most common pathological process involved in the pericardium. etiology उसका क्या क्या हो सकता है? First, idiopathic, second, viral, third, tuberculosis, fourth, Dressler syndrome, fifth, malignancies. ये किसका हम बात कर रहे हैं? Pericarditis in common pathological in process involving pericardium, because the pericarditis is inflammation of the pericardial sac and is the most common pathological process involving the pericardium. और ये pericardium का इसका etiology है. एंड malignancy में क्या क्या हो सकता है? ओट सेल कार्सिनोमा कहाँ का? लंग में. एंड कार्सिनोमा ब्रेस्ट एंड यूरेमिक पेरिकार्डाइटिस. इसमें क्या क्या होता है? CKD, डायबिटिक नेफ्रोपैथी with GFR. So thank you and keep revising.